guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kaveri and today we're going to be making some curtain ties. This video is a part of a series of videos, so if you're watching this one, don't forget to watch other curtain tie videos as well. We'll be using macrame and braiding techniques for these ties, so you don't need any extra tools for these. Just your yarn and some beads or accessories if you like. For yarn, you can choose t-shirt yarn, cotton cords or any cords really. I'll be using t-shirt yarn for these videos. So let's begin. Take 5 long strands, approximately 3 times the length you want. Now tie a knot, taking all the strands together. A basic overhand knot. If you're taking 2 colors, you can alternate the colors when you're arranging the strands. Now I am pressing my knotted end in a cupboard, but if you have something heavy, you can keep that on it, or you can also pin it on a soft board. Take 3 strands at a time. Starting from one side, take the sidemost strand and work inwards, going over and under. Now take the 3 strands from the other side and pick up the sidemost, take it over and under. Repeat this till the very end, taking 3 strands at a time and working with the sidemost strand. When you reach your desired length, tie an overhand knot, taking the pattern into the knot. Open the knot that we made first on the other side and do the same on this side as well, taking the pattern into the knot. Trim the sides equal to get some evenness. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out my other curtain tie videos as well. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of all my new videos. So until next time, stay safe, stay crafty.